Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Civil Orbit. Today we are going to discuss some problem based upon strength, rivet value and efficiency. So here we go. Calculate the strength of one 22 mm diameter rivet using PDSR power driven shop rivet and value of tau VF is equal to 100 Newton per mm square in single shear. So we have to calculate the strength. What we have given in this question, the value of D is already given, that is 22 mm. So firstly we have to calculate the value of small d, that is gross diameter. What is the difference between the nominal diameter and gross diameter? That is already uploaded in the earlier video. You can check the video that showing technical terms used in the riveted connection. So for D up to 25 mm, value of D is equal to nominal diameter plus 1.5. We have D is equal to 22 mm, gross diameter is equal to 22 plus 1.5 mm, that is equal to 23.5 mm. But we have tau VF, that is already given in this question, that is 100 Newton per mm square. So how to calculate the value of shearing strength of one rivet? Putting the all values in equation, tau VF into pi d square over 4. So value of pi d, tau VF is equal to 100 multiply by the value of pi is equal to 3.14 and gross diameter, that is calculated here 23.5 mm upon 4. By solving this equation, we got 43,373.61 Newton. Here we got the answer of shearing stress of one rivet, that is in single shear. If we have to calculate the value of double shear, we multiply this by number 2. 2 multiply by this equation or by this answer. Here we calculate the value of double shear. If we have to calculate the value of double shear, we put 2 into tau VF into pi d square over 4. So here the solution of this equation. In our next problem, we have to calculate the rivet value of 18 mm diameter PDFR power driven field rivet which connects two 8 mm thick plate and a 10 mm thick plate one either side of it. What we have given in the question, D is equal to 18 mm. Nominal diameter is 18 mm. We have to calculate the value of a gross diameter. For up to 25 mm nominal diameter, we have to add 1.5 mm in the nominal diameter to calculate the value of a gross diameter. So 18 plus 1.5 mm is equal to 19.5 mm. Here we calculate the value of a gross diameter. For PDFR power driven field rivet, value of tau VF is equal to 90 Newton per mm square and sigma PF is equal to 270 Newton per mm square. In our earlier video, we already show the permissible value of stress in rivet. You can check on the video. Next, the value of T is equal to 10 mm. How we get the value of 10 mm? It is the least value of 10 mm and 16 mm. We have two thick plates of 8 mm each. 8 mm plus 8 mm is equal to 16 mm. So we take least value of 10 mm and 16 mm, that is 10 mm. Here the least value of 10 mm and 16 mm is T thickness, that is equal to 10 mm. We have to calculate the bearing strength of one rivet, that is equal to sigma PF into D into T, that is equal to putting all the values in the given equation. Sigma PF 270 into D 19.5 into T 10 mm, that is equal to 52650 Newton. What next is shearing strength of one rivet. Shearing strength of one rivet, that is equal to 2 into tau VF into pi d square over 4, that is in double shear. 2 into tau VF is equal to 90 into pi 3.14 multiplied by d gross diameter, that is 19.5 square over 4. Solving these equations, we get 53,756.58 Newton. That is our equation 2. So how we calculate the rivet value? Rivet value is the least of equation 1 and equation 2. But equation 1, that is 52,650 and equation 2 is 53,756.58 Newton. So what is the least value? That is 52,650, 52,650 Newton. So that is the rivet will be crushed a load of 52,650 Newton before getting sheared at 53,756.58 Newton. Next problem, calculate the efficiency and the strength of a single riveted lap joint when two plates of 12 mm and 16 mm thickness have been joined by single riveted lap joint as shown in figure. Take Fs is equal to 94.5 megapascal and Ft is equal to 150 MPa and Fb is equal to 212 MPa. In this diagram, the width of the plate is 160 mm and the number of the rivets in full width is 1, 2 and 3. The diameter of the rivet is 20 mm. Let's start the solution. What we have given in the question, B, width of the plate is equal to 160 mm, number of the rivets N is equal to 3, T, thickness is equal to 12 mm, D, nominal diameter is equal to 20 mm, gross diameter is equal to 20 plus 1.5 mm. As we know that up to 25 mm nominal diameter, the gross diameter is equal to nominal diameter plus adding 1.5. So D is equal to 20 plus 1.5, that is equal to 21.5 mm. FB is equal to sigma PF, that is equal to 212 MPa. FT, that is equal to sigma AT, that is equal to 150 MPa. Fs, that is equal to tau Vf, that is equal to 94.5 MPa. 1 MPa is equal to 1 Newton per mm square and pitch is equal to 50 mm as distance m is equal to 30 mm. FB sigma PF is equal to safe bearing stress, FT sigma AT is equal to safe tearing stress, and tau FS is equal to safe shearing stress. For considering full width of the joint, we have to calculate the value of PS, PB and PT. So calculate the value of PB, PS and PT for considering full width of a joint. Shearing strength of joint PS is equal to N into tau VF multiplied by pi d square over 4. Putting all the values in equation, we get 3 into 94.5 multiplied by pi 3.14 multiplied by d 21.5 square over 4. Solving these equation, we get 102924.76 Newton. PB, bearing strength of joint, is equal to N into sigma PF into D into T. Putting all the values in equation, 3 into 212 multiplied by 21.5 multiplied by 12, we get 164088 Newton. For calculating tearing strength of joint, PT, that is equal to sigma AT multiplied by B minus ND into T. We get 150 into 160 minus 3 into 21.5 multiplied by 12, that is equal to 171,900 Newton. We know that the strength of the joint is least of PS, PB and PT. Therefore, strength is equal to equation 1, that is 102,924.76 Newton. That is, the joint will fail in shearing at 102,924.76 Newton. Now calculate the efficiency of the joint. Next, we have to calculate the efficiency of the joint. Efficiency of the joint is equal to strength of the joint over strength of the solid plate multiplied by 100. We already calculate the value of strength of joint, that is least of PB, PS and PT. Now we have to calculate the strength of a solid plate. Strength of solid plate is equal to sigma AT into B into T. That is 150 into 160 into 12 mm. That is equal to 288,000 Newton. Now the efficiency of the joint is equal to strength of the joint, value of PB, PS and PT, least value of PB, PS and PT, that is 102,924.76 Newton, and strength of solid plate, that is equal to 288,000 Newton multiplied by 100, as efficiency is in percentage. So efficiency is equal to 35.74 Newton. Next problem is two plates 16 mm and 12 mm thick are joined by a double riveted lap joint. The rivets are 20 mm in diameter and are provided a pitch of 50 mm. Take permissible stress for rivets in shearing and bearing as 90 MPa and 270 MPa. The permissible tensile stress in plates is equal to 150 MPa. Determine the strength and efficiency of joint. So, what given in the statement is T thickness, that is least of these two values, 16 mm and 12 mm. So T is equal to least of these two values, that is 12 mm. D diameter is already given in the question, that is 20 mm. We have to calculate the gross diameter, that is equal to 20 plus 1.5, that is equal to 21.5 mm. We know that up to 25 mm diameter, we have to exceed 1.5 mm to calculate the value of a gross diameter. For up to 25 mm, like if we have 26 mm diameter, to calculate the value of gross diameter, we have to exceed 2 mm. We have to add 2 mm if we have value of greater than 25 mm. So up to 25 mm, we exceed the 1.5 mm. So gross diameter is equal to 20 plus 1.5, that is equal to 21.5 mm. P pitch already given in the section, that is 50 mm. Tau VF 90 Newton per mm square. 1 ampere is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. We already noted. And 270 ampere sigma PF, and value of sigma 80 is equal to 150 Newton per mm square. Now we have to calculate the value of a strength. Now considering per pitch length, bearing strength of the riveted joint PB is equal to N into sigma PF into D into T. Put all these values in equation, we get 139320 Newton, value of PB. Similarly, putting the values of PS and PT in equation, we get PS is equal to 65349.05 Newton and PT is equal to 51300 Newton. So the strength of the riveted joint is least of PB, PS and PT, that is equal to 51300 Newton. Now efficiency of the riveted joint, we know the efficiency of riveted joint can be calculated as strength of the riveted joint over strength of the solid plate multiplied by 100. We have to calculate the strength of solid plate, that is equal to sigma 80 into P into T, that is equal to 150 into 50 into 12, that is equal to 9, 4 times 0 Newton. Now put the value of efficiency of the riveted joint, that in equation, strength of the riveted joint over strength of the solid plate multiplied by 100. We get efficiency is equal to 57%. In the end of the video, I have two statement sum for all my viewers. I hope you like the content of the video. Practice these two statements.